welcome back to our school podcast. My name is Nuraichila Ramadhani, and today we're going to talk about something that's part of our daily life, e-money or electronic money. Nowadays, many people use e-money to pay for food, shopping, transport, and many other things. It's fast and easy, but of course it also has some challenges. Today, I'm not alone, I'm with two friends, Erlin Putri and Kurnia Cinta. Hi guys, how are you today?
Hi Ariel, I'm doing great, thank you. I'm excited to talk about this topic. Hi everyone, I'm happy to be here too.
Okay, let's start from the beginning. Erlin, can you explain what e-money is?
Of course, e-money means electronic money. It's money that we keep in a digital form, usually inside our phone or a card. We can use it to buy things without using cash. For example, apps like GoPay, OVO, Dana, or Lingaja. All of them are e-money.
That's right. E-money is really popular because it's simple and fast. You just scan a code or tap your phone and done. But sometimes people forget that e-money also has some problems. So let's talk about the challenges. Cinta, what do you think is one big problem with e-money?
I think one big problem is security. When you use e-money, all our data, like our phone number and bank account, are online. If not careful, someone can hack your account and steal our money. Sometimes, people also get fake messages or scams that look real.
Yes, I've seen that too. Some people lose their money because they click a fake link or give their code to strangers. We must be more careful. Erlin, how about you? What other problems do you see?
Another challenge is internet connection. Money only works if we have signal or Wi-Fi. In some areas, especially village, the internet is very slow. When that happens, we can't make payments. Only not everyone understand how to use money. Although people we don't use smartphone find it confusion.
Yes, that's very true. So, e-money is easy for young people, but not for everyone.
And sometimes even when people know how to use it, there is traffic or system errors. For example, when we send money and the app suddenly freezes, it's so annoying. Right, or sometimes the balance doesn't show correctly. We have we have to contact customer service and it takes a long time to fix.
So, what can we do to solve these problems? Let's start with you, Cinta.
I think people need more education about using money safely. Maybe schools can teach students about digital safely, and the government and companies can make simple guides for the public. If people understand how to use e-money correctly, there will be fewer problems.
Yes, that's a great idea, Cinta. Erlin, what do you think?
I think companies shall make better system faster, safer, and easier to use. They also need to make apps that work even with a slow internet connection. And of course, they must protect users data better so no one can hack it.
Um, yes, security and accessibility are very important. Maybe the government can also help by improving the internet in rural areas.
Yes, and people must also be more careful. Don't share password or verification codes with anyone, even if they say they are from the company.
Exactly. Be smart and stay alert. Okay. Before we finish, let's talk about the future. Do you think e-money will replace cash someday?
Maybe not completely. Some people will still use cash, especially for small shop or traditional market. But I think e-money will become more and more popular. Agree. In the future, almost everything will be digital. Maybe we'll even pay for school or public transport using money only.
Wow, that sounds interesting. If that happens, we must make sure that the system is safe, fair, and easy for everyone. Alright, everyone. We've talked about the many things today. Iman is useful because it's fast and simple, but it also has challenges like security, internet connection, and user understanding. We can solve these problems by learning to use safely and improving the technology. Thank you, Erlin and Cinta, for your opinions today.
Thank you, Aurel. It was fun talking about this.
Yes, thank you. I learned something new too.
And thank you to our viewers. Always be careful with our digital money and stay smart online. See you. See you, everyone.
Makes it hard.